Spaghetti Bolognese. Recipe. Ingredients: 400 grams spaghetti, 250 grams ground beef or a mix of beef and pork, 1 onion, finely chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 carrot, finely chopped 1 celery stalk, finely chopped 1 can, 400 crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1/2 cup red wine. Optional. 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and black pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese for serving. Preparation: heat some olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, garlic, carrot, and celery. Sauté until they become soft and the onions are translucent. Add the ground meat to the pan. Break it apart with a spoon and cook until it's browned. Stir in the tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, dried oregano, and dried basil. If you're using a red wine, add it now. Season with salt and pepper. Reduce the heat, cover the pan, and let the sauce simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. While the sauce is simmering, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the spaghetti until it's al dente, then drain. Serve the Bolognese sauce over the cooked spaghetti. Garnish with grated Parmesan cheese, or enjoy your homemade spaghetti bolognese. Total time, preparing. Spaghetti bolognese typically takes around 45 minutes. The sauce should be allowed to simmer for at least 20–30 minutes to develop its flavors. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference and enjoy this classic Italian dish.